Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this braidless crochet look. Come on in and see how I did it. Alright, this is how I did my base. I twisted my hair and just cornrowed the twist within one another and just kind of pushed the ends in. I did end up doing cornrows on the side because those twists were not going to hold up for me. My hair is very soft, so very fine. So I decided to do that for a better base. And I have 3 parts that I want to utilize in my hair. That's why I have it like that. That's the net I use. Is the one with the hole at the top. You have to tie it off and cut off the excess if you want to use this one, or you can get the one that's closed up. So I'm just going to start with the hair. I've already cut it in half, and what I do is take it and split it and then turn the ends in so you have the 2 loose ends like that hanging opposed to the 2 blunt ends, so it won't stick out on you. And it also stretches the length for you, makes the hair a little bit longer when you do it this way. And what I'm going to do is go around the perimeter of my hair. I actually went from side to back and then the top. So I wasn't sure about the top. Like I said, with my hair texture, I know my hair and I know what I can and cannot do to it. So that's basically what I'm going to do all the way around. And then I'm at the back here and I'm securing the band on by pulling the crochet needle in between the band through my hair and then back again. I did this all the way up on each side from ear to ear, and it's also helped to secure that wig cap on the net before you cut it. And you also can put it up in a ponytail if you decide to go ahead and crochet the whole back and do the invisible method. Follicle healer is perfect just to get in. Okay, down 1 bushel, which is one of these in here. And what I'm doing right now before I start up on another one is combing through, get all those hairs out. Alright guys, I am on the 3rd bundle. Okay, but I haven't cut this off yet because I want to be comfortable enough to cut it off. Because my hair is really soft. And I don't want the whole thing to just fall off on the floor. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so I've worked my way up to the top of my head. I started making the hair strands a lot skinnier than I was before. I just start to think like, I'm not putting these in the normal way with braids. No, it's braidless. I love the technique, but I'm thinking about the takedown. Like, really? Oh, his hair is so pretty. I'm going to get ready to cut this band just a second. Like I said, I'm not ready to cut it yet. I think I'm going to wait till I fill it in about right there just to make sure that it's not going to slide back, because I know my hair is just so slick. So when I get to about right there, I'll cut it. But this is how far I've come using those 3 bundles of hair. Too much? I don't think so. This is gonna be a lot of fun, so I'll be back. Alright guys, this is basically how it turned out. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this style for my hair type about a 6. Only because of the loose feeling in the front. Like I said, I don't have anything, my hair is very soft. I don't have anything for this to hold on to up here. I don't know how long this will last for me like this. And then my part didn't turn out like I wanted it, so I just make the part go away altogether. The one thing about it, you can scratch your scalp really good, but it still has a lot of pull out that I'm getting out. So I'll probably be doing this for a while. So one thing I like about this, but it's a fun style. Look, it's ridiculous. Put it back. Put it back. That's 50 cents worth of tissue you done pulled off. We used to do that. Everybody hates Chris. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. Now leave it alone. 2-year-old. Just let me know what you think. I'll post some pictures at the end like I typically like to do. And as always, always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. And just let me know what you think if you try this style out. Peace. Happy Thanksgiving.